We will now see some examples of high-quality decorations obtained with Stucco Veneziano using special application techniques. A steel trowel is used for primer leveling, whilst steel spatulas of various sizes are necessary for the coated finish. As primer, at least 2 coats of the product are applied, depending on the porosity of the surface, considering an average consumption of approximately 1 to 1.2 kilograms per square meter. Apply Stucco Veneziano with the steel trowel, leveling to obtain a smooth, even surface. Wait 5 hours between applications. Sanding with no less than 220 grit grade sandpaper. Remove any traces of dust with a dry cloth. To carry out this type of effect, there should be at least 3 different colors of Stucco Veneziano. The product is applied by placing small amounts of drops of the product on the center of the trowel and dabbing or sliding the trowel over the surface to create uneven areas of color. The operation is repeated many times with the same color, or with other hues chosen. To carry out the finish, which should be smooth and glossy, apply a very thin coat of white or transparent Stucco Veneziano so as to cover all the surface unevenness of the decoration. Please keep in mind that this operation should be performed when the coats of colour are perfectly dry. Applying white Stucco Veneziano will tend to significantly attenuate the colours applied. On the other hand, transparent Stucco Veneziano will heighten contrast. After decorating the wall, it is possible to move on to the gloss finish, pressing the trowel repeatedly and firmly on the surface with diagonal and semicircular movements. To heighten the brilliancy of the finish, sanding with fine 1500 grit sandpaper and then repeating the gloss finish operation with the steel trowel is recommended.